Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to probably the last video of Everyday Technology, and yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you a final farewell. If you've been noticing, probably over the past few months, my videos haven't been doing that well. Generally, they only get around 100 views. And before, my videos would get like around 100 views in the first couple of days, and then later on they could get upwards of 1,000, but I don't know, that just hasn't been happening. The algorithm hasn't been in my favor, and I've kind of just gotten tired and annoyed with just making tech reviews just to make tech reviews. I started this channel around 4 years ago under a different name. Hold on. I'm not someone who would trick you guys, right? No. I'm not. No matter what the title might say, I'm not deleting my YouTube channel. Do not worry. Although the name of the video isn't wrong, this is the end of Everyday Technology. But I'm not deleting my channel. I'm just changing my name to Hardwired Review because I'm going to be doing more PC related content, budget PCs, gaming PCs, PC related components, accessories, reviews, all that good stuff. So if you're excited for that, then hit that subscribe button down below. You're not going to see many changes. My profile picture is going to stay the same, just the name's going to change, as well as my channel background. Anyway, guys, if you're excited for this change, or if you have any feedback for me, leave that in the comment section down below. I'm really excited for this change. I'm not sad about it at all, despite what my overdramatic video might tell you. And yeah, I'm really excited about this, and I hope you guys are too. And I will catch you all in the next video. Also, if the background looks a little funny, that's because I'm currently on vacation, but I'm still grinding for you guys. So I hope you appreciate that.